So I love a channel first, and today will be the first time I've ever featured a watch from the brand Yema on the channel. I met up with the brand at the Vancouver Timepiece show. Their table there had a particular watch that caught my eye, and I had to ask if they'd be willing to let me get a little bit of time with one, and it has arrived today. So unboxing one of their latest models and very much excited about it. So let's get to it and check out the watch. All right, so this is a watch I am just really pumped to get on wrist. We'll get right into it. There's some very cool things happening with this watch. We'll talk about some today, some in a future video. And let's see if that did it. Yes. Packing peanuts. Get rid of those. This is a prototype, by the way, so I wasn't sure if it would come out in the proper packaging or not, but it looks like it has. There it is. Let me just do a quick cleanup here of the packing peanuts. Be right back. So yeah, we are ready to dive in here. That might be a bit of a giveaway as to what is in the box. Let's actually take a look at the box here. I just noticed there's a little Yema logo on the front and the top, and this is it. The new Skin Diver, and let's get in focus here. I was not sure which color they were going to send. There's a champagne dial, a reddish, kind of a burgundy dial, and this black, and the black is probably the one I'd go for, so I'm glad that this is the one they'd sent out. Look at that bracelet, the scale bracelet. How awesome is that? Pop it off the pillow here. Got an on-the-fly adjustment system. Oh, man. I'll get in for a bit of a closer look here in a second, but what a cool watch. One thing that's kind of neat is they have a bezel locking system with this where you got to apply a little bit of downward pressure to turn, and it is bidirectional. I think it's a 60 click. No, 120. It's got a very different bezel action. Not in a bad way, but just a different action than anything I think I've ever experienced. Signed crown. And just going to zoom in a little bit here and show you kind of one of the best things about this watch. Just one sec. And here through the display case back is the CMM 20, the caliber manufacturer Morteau 20, 70-hour power reserve. We've got a tungsten micro rotor there, and I'll try to get some better shots of this for that next video. We'll get into more details on the movement, but how cool is that? Let's take a closer look at the dial here as well. Love those markers at the 3, 6, 9, and 12. And yeah, this thing is sweet. That bracelet is just killer. I can't wait to get this sized up and on wrist. And let's do just that. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist, and the bracelet is really comfortable. It actually fit me pretty good right out of the box with pulling that micro extension out just a bit there. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I believe they have the case size listed at 39.5, but I'll get you all the measurements, all the details on the watch here very soon. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.